Introducing the new and improved Pressure King Pro from Drew&Cole, the amazing 14-in-1 digital pressure cooker that cooks up to 90% faster than conventional appliances. And because it cooks so much faster, you're not just saving time but saving money too. In fact, cooking a whole chicken in Pressure King Pro could use up to 6 times less electricity than the average oven. This delicious, beautifully cooked lamb and orzo stew could take 2 whole hours in conventional cookware. With Pressure King Pro, you'll cook it in just 25 minutes, and the lamb is so juicy and tender, it just falls off the fork. This mouth-watering, healthy Thai-style cod? Just 2 minutes cooking time in the Pressure King Pro. And the whole family will love tucking into this takeaway feast. A gorgeously spiced chicken tikka masala made with fresh ingredients in just 15 minutes. Now that is fast food. Pressure King Pro is the one-pot solution that does the job of so many different appliances, freeing up valuable space on your countertops. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, and a steamer, all rolled into one. You can even saute with no need for pots and pans on the hob, perfect for browning meat and veg or reducing sauces. Pressure King Pro cooks all the foods you and your family love in just minutes, up to 90% faster than conventional appliances, in one pot, perfectly every single time. From simple suppers, snacks, and scrumptious sides, to family-sized feasts and gourmet delights, Pressure King Pro does the hard work for you to take all the pressure out of mealtimes.
The Pressure King Pro has been a godsend.
My family love Pressure King Pro.
I love our Pressure King Pro.
Order your new and improved Pressure King Pro